I'm so excited to announce that my new book, Seriously Good Salads, is out now. Seriously Good Salads has 75 salad recipes, all packed with fresh flavours, loaded with exciting toppings, and finished with delicious dressings. From hearty salads like this chimichurri steak salad, to delicious sushi salad bowls, and even some sweet dessert salads too. Every recipe has easy to follow instructions with a picture for each dish, which is something I always look for when I'm buying a recipe book. I want to smash the preconception that salads are just diet food. Salads can be so much more. Seriously Good Salads are salads that you want to eat every single bite. Click the link below to order your copy.